All right, so American music, and what we want to do, we're going to scroll down here and where it says view course and institution tools. Let's check that out. Okay, accessibility report. And we're launching that. Let's take a look and let's see what we got here in my developmental shell to see. Yes, this is what we want. Okay. And really at this point, I just have to say, let's fix something. Let's just pick something that we can fix. Now over here it's saying content with the easiest issues to fix. Well, I hope so. Let's give it a whirl. Okay. So right here, I've got images. Yeah, those are easy peasy to fix. No problem. Let's fix it. Okay, so you can see it on the screen there. All right, awesome. Let me get back. Okay, so you can see 73%. Okay. Let's go ahead and fix another one. Another image. Okay, now I'm sharing the tab this time. Okay, so we see we got this image there. And accessibility score 25%. This image is missing a description. Okay. Let's see, this is let's put maybe percussion ensemble concert at STC. Percussion ensemble concert at South Texas College performing Catching Shadows by Ivan Trevino. And of course, double checking my spelling as I missed something earlier. Yay, 100%. You have successfully added a description. Okay. Now, basically, we just want to keep going down the list here. All right, so the next one. Okay, let me share the tab. All right, accessibility scores. It's one of my banner images. Indicate image is decorative. This image is used for decoration only, and description is not needed. I mean, I can do it that way. I'll go ahead and mark this one decorative as well. I want to do the next image. Okay, I'm going to share that tab with you now. All right, just a picture of me. It's my profile picture. Let's see, how about this is a profile of Professor Ron. I mean, I could still mark it as decorative. I can say this is Mr. Schermerhorn smiling happily. This is a profile of Professor Ron. It's all good either way. I mean, it's just a picture of me smiling. But we want to just make sure, as you've heard me say in other live streams and other videos, we want to make sure that we're not saying this is an image of Mr. Schermerhorn on a brick wall. I mean, I could say, this is a happy, smiley picture of Mr. Schermerhorn standing in front of a brick wall. I mean, it's maybe long-winded, but I could say that. Maybe profile doesn't say enough. So, I mean, why don't we try that? This is a happy, smiley picture of Mr. Schermerhorn. Let's see, standing in front of a red brick wall. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add that. So with those images, we can pretty much just keep that flow going, where if I click on the next one, okay, I'm gonna share the tab, and I can explain the picture. Mark it as decorative. I can say distance learning. This is the distance learning team hanging out with, Jaguar. This is the distance learning team hanging out with the STC Jaguar. So kind of having fun with this.